Once upon a time in the bustling city of Megalopolis, there was a vibrant community of individuals who were intricately connected through the invisible threads of communication. Among them was an exceptional woman named Lydia, who worked as a leading scientist at the forefront of technological innovation. Lydia had spent her life fascinated by languages, not just human languages, but also the coded dialects of artificial intelligence. What intrigued her most was natural language processing, NLP, the technology that enabled machines to understand and respond to human language. The city thrived on diversity, with people speaking a myriad of languages. Lydia believed that bridging the linguistic gaps would foster unity and collaboration. With this vision in mind, she embarked on a groundbreaking project, developing an NLP system that could seamlessly translate between languages, not just in text but also in speech. Her team at TechFusion Inc. consisted of brilliant minds from all over the world. Together, they spent countless nights in the sleek, glass-walled laboratory filled with servers and buzzing with the sound of endless computations. Their journey was filled with challenges. Decoding the nuances of syntax, semantics, and pragmatics proved demanding. Lydia recalled one particular night when she almost gave up. The system kept producing error-filled translations, comedic yet frustrating. However, her colleague Raji, an expert in computational linguistics, provided a breakthrough. "It's not just about translation," he explained. "It's about interpretation and understanding context." With this insight, they redesigned the algorithms to include context-based models. The finite state machines they employed now considered cultural and situational contexts that influence language use. Slowly but surely, their system began to grasp idioms, sarcasm, and even poetry. Finally, after months of dedication, they launched Empathia, the world's most sophisticated NLP tool capable of contextual translations. Its interface was user-friendly, with options for real-time text and voice translation. The announcement was met with worldwide acclaim, celebrating a new era in communication where language was no longer a barrier. Empathia not only changed lives but also strengthened connections between people across continents. Lydia's vision had come to life, fulfilling the dream of global harmony through understanding and communication. Reflecting on their success in a celebratory evening at Megalopolis' iconic amphitheater, Lydia addressed the diverse crowd. "Language is the fabric of connection," she concluded. "And with Empathia, we hope to weave a world where everyone can share their stories without borders." The crowd erupted in applause, a resonating testament to the impact of her work. Lydia's journey with NLP was not just about technology, it was about bridging hearts and minds, crafting a community united in diversity.